Hi everyone. So this is going to be the first video in this series. This video is to give you a walkthrough of the website for this application, the AfriMarket Online Hub Store. So when you land on the main page, this is what you're expected to see, and this is if you are viewing this website on a desktop, on a computer. This is what you're going to see, and I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of each of the components on this page. So from the top here, you see the logo, which if you are on any page within this application and you click on the logo, it will always return you back to this page. We have the search bar where you can search for specific products within the system. It's going to be a quick way for you to find product if you know the name of the product you're looking for. You can always put the name here, and this is going to return the product that matches that name you have put in there. Once you type in a name, you click on the search icon, then that comes up. Now the next icon here is the app download from the Play Store and the App Store, which is still on the way. We're currently working on the mobile application for this product. We will notify everyone as soon as that is ready. The next thing you see here is the components for the shipping country and your current location. So naturally, this would grab your current location by default. If you're in Nigeria, you should see the Nigerian flag here and the NGN. It's always going to be Nigerian English for everyone, regardless of wherever you are, because we're going to be using English as a means of communication throughout this application. So you can decide to change it to any location of choice. If you want to maybe check shipping or check some other information and you want to see what it looks like for other countries, you will be able to also change the country here. The next thing you see here is the theme toggle. So right now the app is by default in a dark theme mode. You can change that to light mode, which is some other people's preference. To some people, they prefer the dark mode. So whichever one you prefer, you can switch in between. And the auto mode would be based on what your current device is defaulted to. So if your computer is default to dark mode, you would be able to. It would be dark mode by default. If your computer is default to light mode and you put it on auto, it would grab that light mode and all you see is going to be light mode. So I'm going to continue in light mode to make things easier for so many people. So that's that. Next thing is your user button and user toggle. So here you can either sign in or register a new account. If you've not been on the platform before, you can register an account here. If you have an account already, you just click on sign in and that takes you to the sign in page or register page. Once you log in, there are also many other items here that you can they can play with. Your profile page, applying to become a seller, and so on and so forth, or if you want to report a problem as well. Also, you have messages. If you've sent messages to sellers or you are a seller and you want to view all the messages, sorry, all the messages sent to you by users, you'll be able to find those ones here as well. Same here with reviews. If you want to check your reviews, this will be applicable to sellers. You'll be able to see all of that as well. Last on this navigation panel is the cart, which takes you to the cart page. For buyers, when you add items to your cart, you see that start showing up here, and you can always click on the cart icon to take you to the cart page. Next to these is the tags. So we have different tags for this application. We have special offers, hidden gems based on what the sellers have put in the system, and there are so many more of them, limited edition, and so on and so forth. We also have categories of items. The page I'm using right now is a test page, so never mind if you see things like test category 3, it's okay. The main category you'll be seeing on the app will be food, textile, vintage, and so on and so forth. So depending on the category of item you're looking for, you may be able to select any of those categories as well. Now, other than that, the next thing I want to show you is the user badge. So here, just like what you saw here, you can also be able to join here, which is like register, or you can sign in as a current user. You can view your account, you can view your orders, and you can view your wish list. If you're a buyer who has been adding items to your wish list, you will be able to see those items you added to your wish list here. Other than that, the next thing you see is the main page for products. If there are any deals at the time you're viewing this page, you will see those products that are under deal here. If there are other items that have been added under any of these tags, you will see them show up here as well. Also, new arrival items, you will see them here, and if you keep scrolling, you will see different items in different sections of the page. There are categories of items that might be part of the featured items. If you want to check them out, you will see those under here. Now, our sellers who have added themselves to the featured sellers, you will be able to see their stores here, and you can scroll right and left to be able to see more of them. Brands as well, you'll be able to see that, and so on and so forth. Then the footer part of the page, there are other shortcuts to be able to get into the application here, whichever one that matches what you're looking for. You can track your order, you can reach out to customer service, you can find our WhatsApp number here as well. And if you want to subscribe to our newsletter, this is where you do that. Put in your email and sign up. We'll give you 2,000 Naira welcome coupon to be used in your first purchase. The final thing I want to show you here is the chatbot you see right here. This is an AI-powered chatbot where you can chat with our agents to ask questions about this platform, different kind of questions depending on what you're looking for. This is going to be able to help you to find information about this platform. So I'm going to end this video here, and will do other ones that will talk about some other features of this application. Thank you.